guys, tudluan ko mo ang kandang. Kaung saan pag basketball. First, inyong pag-dribble, anak, pag-gunit na. 1, 2, 3. Dahil yan na inyong kamot, igad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ibend, inanis. 9, 10. Ngayon, inig mo shoot mo. Diba? Ano yung kamot? Na, dahil kani, nagkunit ni Dari ha? Ngayon, kani, nasa ubos. Ngayon inyong tiil. Yan na, oh. Ba?
Lana, mura.
Okay. Dayon. Hali ka mamin, be. Hali ka maman. Okay. Himughop.
Hmm?
Himughop.
Sana.
Oh. Kamil ka mamin. Mamin. Hali ka maman. Ano guys, ha?
Anak guys. Sige, balik. Oh, anak.
Okay. Dayon. And you will let's do this thing. Alright. You will look close to you. You're like dancing like this. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So you do this. And you can do this like that. Our casters. Okay. Look, and this thing down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. That's all it, guys. Bye-bye.